Hi, Phil here with an LED reverse light upgrade for the 2018 Ford Mustang. Now this vehicle has been refreshed from front to rear, but they still left an incandescent reverse bulb stock. I'll show you how to upgrade this to an LED for a brighter, more modern appearance. This installation's plug and play, should only take you a few minutes. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll get started with accessing the bulb. Now the angle's kind of tight here, so I can't really get a camera to show you what I'm doing, but I'll try my best. You'll need to access the socket, which is straight behind the bulb in the housing. Simply grab a hold of it, rotating it counterclockwise towards the passenger side of the vehicle. Pull the bulb straight out, and then you'll just remove your stock bulb. Replace with your Diode Dynamics LED upgrade. Now these bulbs are polar sensitive, so you'll want to test before putting everything back together. If you put it in and it doesn't light, simply pull the bulb, rotate it 180 degrees and put it back in the socket. Once you've confirmed that, return the bulb to the housing by twisting back towards the driver's side to lock it into place. This completes your installation for a brighter, more modern appearance. For more information on this product, visit us at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.